1998 Ford Cobra, 23,000 miles, Vortech Supercharged. Let's take it for a test drive. I love these cars. All of the 94s through the 98s when it comes to the Cobras are just fantastic driving Mustangs. This one is a 98 with 22,999, so 23,000 miles, which is awesome mileage. Obviously, it's got all the supporting paperwork for it, clean Carfax, clean Autocheck, no accidents or damage ever reported. And we do also have some good other miscellaneous original paperwork that goes with it. You'll see photos and PDFs of all of those documents on the additional media section on the website pcclassiccars.com, so make sure you guys check that out. But again, it's a no-nonsense, legit mile car. This one still retains its original numbers matching 4.6, but obviously it's Vortech Supercharged, the V2 supercharger. They claim that it makes 100 to 150 more horsepower, so these stock are 305 horse and 300 foot-pounds of torque. So this one's probably sitting around 400, 450 horse and 400 or so foot-pounds of torque now, so they run really well. The 5-speed manual transmission shifts through all the gears exactly like it should. No issues with any of that. Clutch feels good as well. We'll let it warm up just a little bit more, and then on our return trip, we'll really get into the boost. A little downshift here. Get a little exhaust note there for you early in the video. It does have aftermarket exhaust, including, I think, their Flowmaster muffler, so it sounds just kick-ass going down the road. You have your standard power steering, your disc brakes all the way around. AC's cold, heat blows hot. Does all of your stuff that you'd want a low mileage Cobra to do. And these are super fun stock, and this one being the Vortech Supercharged is just a blast to drive. On the interior, code 4J, which is your black leather. You have your little bit of leather cracking that all of these get, but nothing that needs to be replaced. It actually shows really well for the miles. Upper dash, lower dash, gauges, steering wheel, center console, all of that is in excellent condition. Headliner, visors, no issues with any of that. Back seat looks great. As far as the does it work section goes, as far as the does it work section goes for this Cobra, everything is working. All of your gauges, your lights, your horn, wipers, radio, heat, AC, parking brake, cruise control, all of that stuff is functioning exactly like you want it to function. The does it work section will also be in that additional media section on the website pcclassiccars.com. Hell yeah! Once it hooks up, it rolls really well. Man, that's a kick-ass setup. These cars are not notoriously known for being very fast, but the way that this one is set up with that V2, it's also got the BBK Power Plus throttle body, the exhaust system that's on it. Just a blast to drive this car. It'll just roast the tires through 1, 2, and 3 if you want it to. And then when you get into regular driving, like we're sitting in 4th gear right now doing 60 miles an hour at 2,600 RPMs, it's like driving a bone stock one. Underneath is great. Floors are awesome. Frame rails are great. No issues of any kind when it comes to the bottom of this car. And then on the exterior, it's code ZR, which is your ultra white paint. Does appear to be original paint all the way around the car. It has all of its VIN stickers, front, back, under the doors, fenders, hood, deck lid. All of those VIN tags are all the way around the car. You have your door tag with the data information over here on the driver's side as well. VIN up on the dash where it needs to be. Stock wheels in good condition. Tires are 2015 and 2016 respectively. No dry rot, no cracking. Tires have plenty of tread on them. Do exactly what you want them to do. Not vibrating me to death in here. Tires, yes, they're 10 years old, but they still work well. The paint on the car does have its little imperfections. You'll see some photos of that stuff in the additional media section on the website, pcclassiccars.com, but all of the little imperfections are super minor. Couple little stone chips, couple little nicks in the paint. And once that boost starts kicking in, it pulls really well. As far as the suspension goes, it checks out like it should. Front end feels good, no issues with the back. Steering's nice and tight, brakes feel good. These are obviously 4-wheel discs. On the driving position, you do have your adjustable driver's seat over here on the for the front, back, up and down on the seat, and it functions properly. Driving position is great with the console. The way the shifter is set up, it's easy to shift through all the gears, find every gear as well. Glass doesn't have any noticeable issues in the windshield. The power windows, the power locks, and the power mirrors, all of that functions properly. You do have your rear defrost in the back with your button over here on the left, which functions. Gauges are all functioning properly. They're the white face gauges that these cars were born with, 160 mile an hour speedo. Got your tach, fuel gauge, oil pressure, temperature, voltage, all of that's functioning and reading properly as well. This car can get away from you quick. It runs really well. Downshifts like it should. Inside the trunk in the back, no issues back there. It's all factory OE spec. And then when you pop the hood, obviously you have your mechanical upgrades. It is the original numbers matching motor to the car. You have that V2 supercharger. Great setup. Paperwork's awesome on this car. Everything works. Lights, gauges, horn, wipers, radio, heat, AC. Like I mentioned earlier, it is a ready-to-go car. I would hop in this thing and drive it anywhere you want to go. Yeah, you can get in trouble with this car really quick. It is a lot of fun to drive. As always, I'm Michael. This is a Vortech Supercharged 1998 Cobra with 23,006 miles from myself and everybody else here at PC Classic Cars. We appreciate y'all stopping in to watch another one of our test drives. Make sure you check out that additional media section on the website, pcclassiccars.com. Check out all the content we're posting across the social platforms every single day. We'll catch you guys on the next video.